Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare XL versus Xpress bay boats. We will examine their distinct features, performance, and construction to help you decide which boat best suits your needs. First, let's look at their foundational build. XL boats are renowned for their exceptionally thick 160-gauge aluminum hulls, providing 28% more strength than many competitors. Xpress boats, on the other hand, feature an all-welded 125-gauge aluminum hull, often enhanced with foam injection for a quiet, solid ride. Moving on to how these boats perform on the water, both brands offer impressive designs. XL's acceleration trademark pad hull, with its 14-degree dead rise, is engineered for high performance, stability, and a remarkably dry ride, efficiently reducing hydrodynamic drag for greater speed. Xpress boats are famous for their hyperlift hull, which delivers lightning-fast hole shots, exceptional turning capabilities, and a smooth, steady ride, even when navigating choppy waters. For anglers, both XL and Xpress pack their bay boats with thoughtful features. XL models often boast expansive front and rear casting decks, dual live wells, including a 16-gallon console live well and a 20-gallon aft live well, plus over 31 cubic feet of storage. Xpress boats provide large fishing decks, their proprietary Extreme Coat durable non-skid finish for secure footing, and built-in lockable rod boxes, accommodating rods up to 12 feet long. Finally, let's consider versatility and overall value. XL bay boats are designed to be highly adaptable, performing well in diverse environments from coastal bays to inland lakes and rivers, making them a great all-around choice. Xpress boats are often highlighted for their cost-effectiveness, delivering a strong combination of performance, fishability, and comfort, making them a popular and top-selling option in the aluminum bay boat market.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.